Rich, the competitive advantage is in our DNA. It starts with a seamless customer experience. We manage the entire value stream, from supply chain logistics to manufacturing and assembly. We can order raw materials based on forecasts to avoid production delays. And we provide customers with a single high-level part number for an entire complex assembly. As one of our partners, GE Healthcare, puts it, Lou Rich is easy to work with and they're incredibly knowledgeable. They know manufacturability and have a lot of skill in-house to get things done correctly. They're a great partner when we have a new design. Next, it's the generational expertise of our employee owners. At Lou Rich, we take pride in our team's expertise. We promote from within, creating advancement opportunities in-house and preparing teammates for successful advancement. This has resulted in seasoned leaders with extensive knowledge across the value stream, ensuring wise decision-making to guide your projects to success. As one of our partners, Abbott, shares, I love the way they break their teams up. They have good expertise in all the areas of quality, design, manufacturing, and program management. They bring them all to the same team or to the same meeting, so you know who you're talking to. Our expertise can be measured by the quality of our output, beginning with our process excellence. Our engineers are experts in design for manufacturability. Our in-house tooling department and dedicated assembly teams help maintain control over lead times. And we provide rigorous quality control throughout the entire comprehensive manufacturing process. As one of our partners, Hill & Smith, shares, as a contract manufacturer, they're at the top. Their communication and quality are excellent, and they're very trustworthy. They're a pleasure to work with. Process excellence leads to product excellence. Our diverse manufacturing capabilities ensure top quality for both small precision components as well as large complex assemblies, where detail and reliability are crucial. We specialize in tight tolerance industries, guaranteeing high quality and performance for every product. Finally, true success comes from building strong business relationships. This is our partnership excellence. Our partnerships go beyond transactions. They're built on trust, collaboration, and shared success. Whether we've worked together for over 40 years or it's a new partnership, our commitment remains the same, to be a trusted partner at every step. At Lou Rich, our vision is to enhance our legacy as a trusted partner by delivering innovative and complex manufacturing solutions throughout the entire value stream. Experience, expertise, excellence. It's in our DNA.